All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to jump right into working on your digital portfolio. So if you would, please get out your Chromebook and open up your Google Drive. In a previous Eagle Time, we did create a folder in your Drive called My Digital Portfolio. So please go ahead and click on that folder. Within that folder, we created 7 other folders, and these folders represent different categories of things that you would use to sell yourself to a future employer or a future college. Things that you would want to indicate on a job resume or a college or scholarship application. So we're going to get started on these folders today, and it really honestly doesn't matter which folder you start with, but for today I'm going to click on activities, and you can see that within each folder we added a document that gives you suggested items that you would want to include in this folder, and then it does provide an example for you. You can create in each folder whatever you like to record or document this information. You can create a Google Doc, Google Slides, Google Sheets, whatever you would like to use that best fits the way you want to organize that information. So you can see here for activities, I have an example, a Google Sheet that I made to document the different sports and clubs that I was involved in and the positions that I held. So it just kind of gives you an example of the types of information that you would want to include for those activities. But again, guys, you can use whatever format you like. For each of the folders, you will find that each one has a suggested item and example sheet within each folder. So you can use those sheets again for recommendations of what you might want to put into that folder. Over the next year, we will be working during different Eagle Times on your digital portfolio, adding things to it. And eventually we will use that information to create a Google site about yourself and actually use that site for future employers and colleges to really advertise yourself and what you have done. So what we would love for you to do now is to go ahead and start adding, pick a folder and start adding items to that folder. Thanks, guys.